Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, while others struggle despite their best efforts? The secret lies not in what they do, but in how they think. Our subconscious mind, that hidden powerhouse beneath our everyday awareness, shapes our reality in ways we can scarcely imagine. It's the silent architect of our lives, influencing every decision, every action, and every outcome, often without us even realizing it. But here's the mind-blowing truth. This subconscious force isn't set in stone. Just like a master programmer can rewrite the code of a computer, you have the ability to reprogram your subconscious mind. And when you do, you unlock the key to manifesting the future you've always dreamed of. In this video, we're going to embark on a thrilling journey into the depths of your mind. We'll uncover the secrets of how your subconscious operates, explore cutting-edge techniques to rewire your mental patterns, and reveal the step-by-step process to align your deepest thoughts with your grandest ambitions. From the latest neuroscience breakthroughs to ancient wisdom traditions, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest to unleash your full potential. So, are you ready to take control of your subconscious and become the master architect of your destiny? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the most powerful force in the universe, your own mind. And trust me, once you see what's possible, you'll never look at yourself or your potential the same way again. Before we begin this mind-bending journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stick around for every second, because each moment could be the one that changes everything. Let's reprogram your subconscious and manifest your dream future, starting right now. Understanding the subconscious mind. Picture this. You're driving home from work, your mind wandering to your plans for the evening. Suddenly, you realize you've arrived at your destination without consciously remembering the journey. How did you navigate traffic, make turns, and arrive safely while your conscious mind was elsewhere? Welcome to the power of your subconscious mind. The subconscious is like an iceberg. The tiny visible tip represents our conscious awareness, while the vast mass lurking beneath the surface is our subconscious. This hidden powerhouse makes up about 95% of our brain activity, silently steering the ship of our lives. It's the keeper of our habits, beliefs, and automatic behaviors, operating below the radar of our everyday awareness. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your subconscious doesn't just influence your actions, it shapes your entire reality. Like a hyper-efficient filter, it sifts through millions of bits of information every second, deciding what to bring to your attention and what to ignore. This means that two people can experience the exact same situation and come away with completely different perceptions and outcomes. So, how does this relate to manifesting your dream future? Well, if your subconscious is programmed with limiting beliefs or negative patterns, it's like trying to sail to a tropical paradise with an anchor dragging behind your boat. No matter how hard you paddle, you'll always be fighting against that hidden resistance. But what if you could reprogram that subconscious filter? What if you could align it with your deepest desires and grandest ambitions? That's when the magic happens. When your subconscious becomes your greatest ally in creating the life you've always dreamed of. As we move forward, we'll explore exactly how to do that. But first, let's dive into the fascinating science behind how our brains can actually change and adapt, setting the stage for the incredible transformation that's possible. The Science of Reprogramming. Have you ever heard the phrase, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks"? Well, it turns out that old saying is about as outdated as using a flip phone in 2024. Enter the revolutionary field of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to rewire itself throughout our entire lives. Not too long ago, scientists believed that our brains were fixed and unchangeable after childhood. But groundbreaking research has shattered that myth, revealing that our brains are constantly forming new neural connections and pruning old ones. It's like having a supercomputer that's continuously upgrading itself based on our experiences, thoughts, and actions. This plasticity is the key to understanding how we can reprogram our subconscious minds, Every time you have a thought or experience an emotion, you're literally sculpting your brain. Repeat a thought or behavior enough times, and you create a well-worn neural pathway, what we commonly call a habit or belief. The exciting part? Just as easily as these pathways can be created, they can be reshaped or even completely rebuilt. It's like having the power to redraw the map of your mind, creating new routes to success, happiness, and fulfillment. But here's the catch. This incredible power works both ways. If you constantly focus on negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, you're reinforcing those neural pathways, making it harder to break free from patterns that don't serve you. That's why it's crucial to be intentional about the thoughts you entertain and the beliefs you cultivate. As we move into our step-by-step guide for reprogramming your subconscious, keep this incredible plasticity in mind. Every technique we'll explore is designed to leverage this natural ability of your brain, helping you create new, empowering neural pathways that align with your dreams and desires. So, are you ready to become the master programmer of your own mind? Let's dive into the practical steps that will turn this cutting-edge science into life-changing results. Step-by-step guide to reprogramming your subconscious. Step 1. Awareness and identification. Imagine you're an archaeologist about to embark on a dig to uncover ancient treasures. But instead of digging in the earth, you're excavating the depths of your own mind. Your mission? To unearth the hidden beliefs and patterns that have been silently shaping your reality. This first step is all about shining a light on the subconscious programs running in the background of your mind. Start by paying close attention to your automatic thoughts and reactions throughout the day. When you face a challenge, what's your immediate inner dialogue? When an opportunity arises, do you feel excitement or fear? Keep a journal and jot down recurring thoughts, especially those that limit you or hold you back. You might be surprised to discover beliefs like, "I'm not good enough," "Success is for other people," or "I don't deserve abundance," lurking beneath the surface. Remember, awareness is the first step to change. By identifying these limiting beliefs, you're already beginning to loosen their grip on your subconscious. As you move through this process, you'll start to see these thoughts not as absolute truths, but as old programs ready to be rewritten. Step 2. Visualization and mental imagery. Close your eyes for a moment and picture yourself biting into a juicy, tart lemon. Did you feel your mouth water? That's the power of visualization, your brain responding to an imagined scenario as if it were real. Now, let's harness that power to reprogram your subconscious and manifest your dream future. Start by creating a vivid, detailed mental picture of your desired outcome. Want to launch a successful business? Visualize yourself in your dream office, surrounded by a thriving team, closing big deals. The key here is to engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and even taste in this imagined future? The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerfully it will imprint on your subconscious. Practice this visualization daily, ideally right before sleep or upon waking when your subconscious is most receptive. Over time, you'll start to notice your thoughts, actions, and even opportunities aligning with this vision, as if by magic. But it's not magic. It's your subconscious mind working overtime to bring your mental imagery into reality. Step 3. Affirmations and positive self-talk. Think of affirmations as the language of your subconscious mind. By repeating positive, empowering statements, you're essentially recoding the software of your brain, overwriting old, limiting beliefs with new, expansive ones. Craft affirmations that resonate with your goals and feel authentic to you. Instead of generic statements, make them personal and specific. For example, rather than, "I am successful," try, "I am confidently growing my business and attracting ideal clients every day." The trick is to phrase your affirmations in the present tense, as if they're already true. This helps bypass the logical mind's objections and speaks directly to your subconscious. Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally while looking at yourself in the mirror. It might feel awkward at first, but stick with it. You're rewiring decades of mental programming. Step 4. Meditation and mindfulness. Imagine your mind as a calm, clear lake. Thoughts and emotions are like ripples on the surface, constantly disturbing the stillness. Meditation and mindfulness are your tools for stilling those waters, allowing you to dive deep into the subconscious realm beneath. Start with just a few minutes of daily meditation, focusing on your breath or a simple mantra. As you practice, you'll develop the ability to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. This creates space between stimulus and response, allowing you to choose your reactions rather than being ruled by subconscious programming. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the moment, complements meditation by bringing awareness to your daily life. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations throughout the day. This increased awareness will help you catch limiting beliefs in action and choose more empowering responses. Step 5. Emotional alignment. Here's a secret that many manifestation techniques overlook. Your emotions are the fuel that powers your subconscious programming. You can visualize and affirm all day long, but if your emotions aren't aligned with your desires, you're like a car trying to run on an empty tank. Take time each day to truly feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Let yourself experience the joy, excitement, and gratitude of living your dream life. The more you can embody these positive emotions in the present, the more magnetic you become to the experiences and opportunities that match that energetic frequency. This isn't about denying negative emotions. It's about consciously choosing to cultivate and amplify positive ones. When you catch yourself feeling frustrated or discouraged, acknowledge the emotion, then consciously shift your focus to something that brings you joy or gratitude. Over time, this emotional mastery becomes a powerful tool for reprogramming your subconscious. Step 6. Taking inspired action. Visualizing, affirming, and feeling great are all crucial steps. But remember, manifesting your dream future isn't a spectator sport. It's time to get in the game and take inspired action. Pay attention to the nudges, ideas, and opportunities that start showing up as you reprogram your subconscious. These are often subtle at first: a chance encounter, a random thought, or a sudden burst of motivation. Act on these inspirations, even if they seem small or unrelated to your big goals. Taking action, no matter how small, reinforces your new subconscious programming. It sends a powerful message to your brain that you're serious about this new reality you're creating. Plus, it builds momentum, creating a positive feedback loop of action and results. Remember, the path to your dream future might not look exactly as you imagined. Stay open to unexpected opportunities and be willing to adjust your course as you go. The universe often has even better plans than we can imagine. Overcoming challenges and resistance. As you embark on this journey of reprogramming your subconscious, don't be surprised if you encounter some turbulence along the way. Just like a computer might glitch when installing a major update, your mind might throw up some resistance as you work to overwrite old patterns. Doubt, fear, and impatience are common companions on this path. You might find yourself questioning whether this really works, or feeling frustrated when results don't manifest overnight. This is all part of the process. It's your old subconscious programming fighting to maintain the status quo. The key is to approach these challenges with compassion and persistence. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself that you're rewiring decades of mental conditioning. It takes time, but every small step is progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how tiny they might seem. Consistency is crucial. Just like going to the gym, reprogramming your subconscious requires regular workouts. Make these practices a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Even on days when you don't feel like it, show up for yourself. Remember, it's the compound effect of small, consistent actions that leads to massive transformation. Creating a supportive environment. Imagine trying to grow a delicate flower in the middle of a concrete jungle. No matter how much you water and nurture it, the harsh environment will make it a constant struggle. The same principle applies to reprogramming your subconscious. Your environment plays a crucial role in supporting or hindering your transformation. Start by taking a good look at the influences in your life. Are the people around you supportive of your growth, or do they unconsciously reinforce old limiting beliefs? Seek out relationships and communities that uplift and inspire you. Surround yourself with individuals who are also on a path of personal growth and who believe in the power of the mind. Your physical environment matters too. Create spaces that reflect the future you're manifesting. This might mean decluttering your home, creating a dedicated meditation corner, or surrounding yourself with visual reminders of your goals and dreams. Every time you interact with your environment, it's an opportunity to reinforce your new subconscious programming. Don't underestimate the power of media and information intake. Be mindful of the books you read, the shows you watch, and the content you consume online. Choose sources that align with your new empowering beliefs and support your journey of transformation. Measuring progress and celebrating success. As you journey deeper into reprogramming your subconscious, it's essential to track your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, you're not just changing your thoughts, you're rewiring your entire reality. That's no small feat, and every step forward deserves recognition. Start by keeping a manifestation journal. Record your goals, your daily practices, and any shifts or synchronicities you notice in your life. This journal serves two purposes. It helps you stay accountable to your practices, and it provides concrete evidence of your progress over time. Look for both internal and external signs of change. Internally, you might notice a shift in your automatic thoughts, increased confidence, or a greater sense of peace and alignment. Externally, watch for new opportunities, improved relationships, or tangible steps towards your goals. Celebrate every win, no matter how small it might seem. Did you catch yourself reframing a negative thought? Celebrate. Did you take inspired action towards a goal? Celebrate. These small victories compound over time, creating massive momentum in your journey. Remember, transformation is rarely a linear process. There will be ups and downs, leaps forward, and temporary setbacks. By tracking your progress and celebrating your successes, you build resilience and stay motivated for the long haul. We've journeyed deep into the realm of the subconscious, uncovering its hidden power and learning how to harness it to manifest your dream future. From understanding the science of neuroplasticity to exploring practical techniques for reprogramming your mind, you now have a powerful toolkit for transformation. Remember, this isn't about forcing change or struggling against your own nature. It's about aligning your deepest, most powerful mental processes with your grandest visions and aspirations. As you continue to practice these techniques, you'll find yourself naturally attracting opportunities, making empowered choices, and creating a reality that once seemed like an impossible dream. But here's the most exciting part. This journey of subconscious reprogramming isn't just about achieving specific goals. It's about fundamentally shifting how you perceive yourself and your place in the world. As you peel away limiting beliefs and expand your sense of what's possible, you open yourself up to levels of joy, fulfillment, and success beyond anything you might have imagined. So, are you ready to step into your full potential and become the master architect of your destiny? The power to shape your reality has always been within you. Now it's time to unleash it. Your dream future is waiting. Go out there and manifest it. Remember, this video is just the beginning of your journey. If you found value in these insights, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative content. And don't forget, every moment is an opportunity to reprogram your subconscious and step closer to your dreams. The future is yours to create, starting right now.